Hi. Burp. 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 Right.
Right.
Mustache.
Ooh.
Madison.
Marissa.
Daughter.
Mom.
Who's your dad?
I don't know.
Who's your dad? Butt face.
Butthead.
Wait. It's
Marissa.
it's. Oh, I can't say Z anymore. Yuck.
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 You need some cucumber, yeah.
What?
I don't know.
I thought you said like you need a cucumber.
Yeah, it's like you need some cucumber, y'all. Mustache. Mustache. Merp boop.
Merp. Boop. Merp.
So, hi.
What's up, bro?
I don't know, brah.
Bruh.
Brah. I'm bored.
Merp.
Merp.
Haley. Same people's names.
Okay. Cassie. I don't know.
Shane.
Jenny.
Madison.
Marissa.
Gavin.
Poop. 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 So, Mrs. Ambrose.
This is Severico.
They are crazy.
No, they're just like. Are my eyes crossed?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh,
I'm
Stop. Have time. What was that? That was my stomach.
nice burp.
Give me my Gatorade. Yeah.
Burping contest.
Okay. You want to start a new one?
Wait, yeah. After we drink these, but look. Matching tattoos. We're gonna wear them to school on Monday.
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Oh.
Ew.
That's so funny.
Ew.
My tongue's still blue as yours.
Are you gonna throw up?
No.
Do you want to stop this now?
Sure.
Okay, bye!
Let's make it to go to 7.
Wait, go right there.